Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I'm going to give you guys an update on this INVICTA Aviator 19173. Really nice watch. I got this not too long ago and I had an issue with it when I first bought it. And I just wanted to give you guys an update on how it's been going with this watch. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my current subscribers. I am over 1,000 subscribers right now, and that is just an amazing milestone for any YouTube content creator to hit that 1,000 mark, and I couldn't appreciate that more. Thank you guys so much for that. And if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So if you like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I do review where I do showcase all of the watches that I review on this channel and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into this watch here. This is, like I said, the INVICTA Aviator 19173. It does have the flame fusion crystal on it, and it is a quartz chronograph movement. Very, very nice watch. It boasts 100 meters of water resistance, and it's just a very nice heavier watch, very nicely weighted. Great watch with all working subdials, and everything is it's just a wonderful watch all around. But when I first got this watch, I did notice that the bracelet on it was very tinny sounding and squeaky. And what I did was I posted a video where I actually went through and I lubricated all of the links with some Teflon lubrication, and it has made a big difference in the way this watch sounds when you wear it. It actually does not sound as bad anymore, and I have worn this watch out several times, and it is really great quality watch. It hasn't had any there's been no issues with this watch whatsoever. It's really nice. It still even looks brand new. I mean, there's no scratches on it. I've worn it quite a few times, and it is just a wonderful looking watch that will get you some compliments. It's definitely a conversation piece. It's a much larger watch than I mean, obviously INVICTA always has these large watches, and they are much larger than some of the other watches on the market. So you do have to have a big wrist and a big arm in order to be able to sport one of these watches. But I'll tell you, it is a beautiful looking watch. I have received some comments on this watch where people have said that it's ugly, and maybe it is ugly to some people. I think it's a very nice looking watch. I love it. I think it's a great watch. I think it looks nice. It functions properly, but like I always say in my videos, we all like what we like. But this is a great, like I said, it's a great quality watch. Stainless steel construction, Japanese quartz chronograph movement, 100 meters of water resistance. It's just a very, very nice watch by INVICTA. It's the INVICTA Aviator 19173. Just a great looking watch all around. I do have a lot more watches coming in. I have a couple of INVICTA watches coming in. I've got some more Pagani design watches coming in, and I have actually quite a few orders of watches coming in over the next week, so you'll definitely want to stay tuned to the channel. But I just wanted to get this out there and do a quick recap on how this watch actually turned out. I don't know how many of you have seen that video. I'll post a link in the description below so you guys can actually head on over and check out what this watch was like when I first received it, and what I did to correct the problem. I will also post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick it up. Believe it or not, this watch can be had right now on Amazon for about 80 bucks. I want to say maybe between 80 and $85. You can actually pick this watch up and get it pretty quickly, because everybody knows you can get pretty quick shipping with Amazon Prime. And like I said, it's just a beautiful watch all around. I love the blue that they have on it. It's very nice looking. I love those big nautical dials with the Yachtmaster look on it. Very, very nice bezel with the northeast southwest around the ring. Just a really great, classy looking boatsman, nautical looking watch. Like I said before, we'll be posting a link to this in the description below, and stay tuned to the channel if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because like I said, I've got a whole bunch of shipments coming in, and I'm going to get those videos out to you this week. So once again, the Aviator, INVICTA Aviator 19173. Beautiful watch if you're looking for a nice big hefty watch with good water resistance and a sharp looking dial. This has, the, like I said before, the flame fusion crystal, the Japanese quartz chronograph movement, and all working subdials. It's just a beautiful, beautiful watch. So if you're interested, I will post that link below. It is an affiliate link, so it does send a couple of dollars over to me if you decide to purchase using that affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything more, but it does send a commission over to me, and that is very much appreciated. So I will post a link to this in the description below if you're interested in the watch, and I post a link to the video of the repair that I actually did on this watch as well, so you guys can head on over and check that out. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick these up and wear them for yourself. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. You guys all have a great day and a great weekend, and I will see you next time.